Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Blessed morning to my fans them. To my people them, you know. You know, I hear the fire already set up. One way for life, you hear that? Just one of the people them hold firm, you know. Just go out there and do what you have to do. If you not do it, nobody now gonna do it for you. You hear that? So just put up a fight to the fight where I fight you, hear? Don't tell yourself everybody you gonna like you. I'm gonna teach you something. Not for the close friend them I go turn enemy. And you see another thing? Not for the pussy them I go pray for kill you too. But watch you pray. If I had a clue of who, I pray if you put a shot in a me. Today, my day. And nobody at all can beg for the pussy day. If I had a chance, you hold me enemy when him a plan, yeah. I wait him with the peace iron.
So what you go on? If you're a Jamaican or a dancer lover, then you're supposed to know who and what the alliance is. Now if you're there and you don't know who the alliance is, then let me give you a quick breakdown. The alliance is the Bounty Killer formed group, which consists of producers, engineers, DJs, disc jockeys, selectors, the list goes on. It have people such as Vibes Cartel, had people such as Vibes Cartel, Movado, Busy Signal, Bling Dog, Iyara, and many others. See, the list goes on with the people who was just members of the alliance, right? Now, when the alliance was formed a couple of years ago, a lot of people saying that Bounty Killer caused a division in dancehall, but that is not really the topic. The topic today right now is how many entertainers walked away from the alliance and fall out with Bounty Killer. We've seen in previous times where Vibes Cartel, got estranged from the alliance and decided to start up film own thing. Then we say Movada do the very same thing and step away from the alliance and go do film own thing. You understand? Now another one of Bounty Killer's sons step away from the alliance, and this time it is Iyara. See? So Iyara went and did a star interview the other day where Iyara talk about a bunch of things. You see me I say, and Bounty Killer reacted to it. So me I go first show on what Iyara had to say, and then I go show on a Bounty Killer reaction to that, and then Iyara speak out again. See? So the article started out like this. The headline: Iyara leaves Bounty Killer led alliance, says career was not getting enough attention in the group. After a year-long rumor that he had split from Bounty Killer's alliance, dancehall artist Iyara is finally confirming that he has left the group and is now doing his own thing, or doing things his own way. Speaking to The Star recently, the pressure cooker DJ said that the move was partially motivated by his need to have more attention placed on his career. When you're in a big group like that, you're not going to get that much focus. That is part of the reason why I have to say one way. I'm doing my own thing, he said. Over the years, we dey around Killer and we put in the work. And I feel like at the time now for me elevate and focus on myself. I have people who depend on me too. So I have to get myself out there so I can support who look up to me. Can't live in my father's house forever. Iyara formed part of the Next Generation camp in 2011. And he is known for songs like Never Kill a Friend.
As long as I live, I will never kill a friend. I'd rather use my strength to build a friend. Now kill none of my soldiers.
Another popular song what Iyara is known for is a song named Sicker Than Flow.
Oh, sicker than flow, my youth. Pretty crazy than glue, my youth. So me no care you are who my youth. Can me be kill you when you glue, my youth.
Alright, so now that me give you a little idea of who Iyara is, I open to recognize him songs. But Iyara also made it clear that we not going to see him around Bounty Killer much anymore. But he will always consider himself to be an alliance member. Iyara said Vibes Cartel can never not be a part of the alliance. But him build him own entity, which is Gaza Empire. Me I build my own entity by doing my own thing. Alliance will always be the root because of Bounty Killer that. And him is still the father. But I'm grown and self-driven, so I must just move forward and get my own thing going. People always expect to see me around the Killer. But them now go see that again. Me I go there east and him I go there west. If we have a link, we link. Killer can call me if him want. If me see him, me hear him just the same. Iyara's latest single, CLU, is produced by his management team, Time Records, and its accompanying music video is slated for release this week. So people, after that article came out in the Star, Bounty Killer made a post to his Instagram platform, and this is what Bounty Killer had to say while resharing the headline that came out in the Star. Right here is what Killer said. Alliance wishes Iyara all the best in his career and endeavors. But attention was not and could never be the issue, youth. Maybe more like overexposure was by you being in the public's eye way before fully developing proper skills. I know lyrics was always there, but variation of vocal abilities, melody schemes, and flows is just coming full circle. And Iyara, remember Sumfest 2017, I got you and K Queens booked to do uno own thing, perform solo, and you took a show in Canada for 2000 instead. What exposure can be bigger than a Sumfest stage in dancehall? Just always get your priorities straight, brother. And no man cannot declare that they left Alliance and still consider to be a part. Hell no. Busy never said he left and he is doing his own thing. Bling didn't, Marshall didn't. They just branch off and do them own thing, but never announce no affiliation. And since own waiting, you stop coming to Bounty Sundays. So how you say you still a support Alliance? Because if most man get 1% of the attention you gotten, you would realize how much you should have been thankful. Also, I'm a bit disappointed with your article because up to now you didn't say you was grateful for whatever little attention or exposure you gotten from the Alliance, though you only said you wanted more attention, and that says a lot about a person's generosity. But handle your business, Iyara. Yo, so after Bounty Killer made that post, Iyara felt the need to respond, and Iyara took to social media, Instagram platform specifically, and this was the video that Iyara posted. So check it out.
Big man things, Tom. I just there with a real mate, you know. Because I get a whole heap of phone call from a whole heap of people, you see it? And watch this now. I go read the interview where Killer posts up. Because that is like an interview. Longer than an article, you hear that? I mean, I tell them I hurt. Because watch this now, people. People can't say anything about them, not have a clue. You hear that? You understand what I say, brother? Killer know that even Killer no respect himself like me. Iyara respect Killer over the years. At 10 years, I'm around the G, you know. Him know we don't have to talk things them. We've been through the rough road with him. You understand what I say? We don't look. We don't have to name out the style that we Killer have. You understand what I say? Look for Unruly Fest. General, I run me off a stage. You know, if you run off Iyara off a stage, dog, you can't do that to your youth, them Killer. You have to understand we have feelings like human being. You hear that? You know the thing them we go through, you know. You understand? Man cut bomb buckle at full, dog. People have to understand how man feel. You hear that? I tell you that. And you know over the years, what's it? Europe tour, you got Europe. Killer, you know some man there on you hold it. Every country show you go, you call me. Killer, me a visa and I'm a book, me can fly to, you know, general. You never bring me gun nowhere yet in a royal with you, you know. Or you think the people then look for me? People have me as one little idiot around you, as a youth full of talent and me a bad artist, and you know that. You hear that? The Sumfest thing now, oh you feel make Sumfest I try, pray me Killer. How me for book for Sumfest and you know tell me about it, me don't know nothing about the show in the dark. You can't make Sumfest I pray, remember my career just a rise in a G. Sumfest book Iyara. You know if you link me and tell me say Iyara, Ray about the show so I can prepare myself, what you want me to do? Just grab up a regular pants and a regular shirt and run on for Sumfest. For people say me I want like a idiot artist. If my dog them link me, I can dance say, yo, DJ, me I go take the show. Because you don't know me have my youth them have to hate. Life real. The pain real, dog, you hear that? You do a nightly fix and interview in a brother. And when you do the interview, yes, you say a lot of things in the interview. But Killer, when you tell the radio this jacket, them go suck them mother. And it hurt as youth around you. Me used to get way better rotation on the radio. When you tell the radio this jacket them that, my song then stop play. Me and every radio this jacket good. Anyone me see any radio this jacket, them show me love, me show them love. You over say me I say, you can't do them thing there. Dog man grateful for everything what you do for me, you know. I'm tell you this man. When a youth cup full in cup, bomb buckler full, you hear that dog, I just that's the thing there, you know. I own way.
People, you don't know, say, Iyara speak in mind and say what I'm have to say. Bounty Killer not respond to that yet, but Bounty Killer has been posting a number of posts on him IG, nothing directly addressing Iyara, you know, but him just a post a bunch of things. But what I want to do right now, I don't know the thing already. Comment in the comment section, tell me what I have to say about this. You're seeing, share phone views and thoughts and opinion down in the comment section. It's Unstoppable TV, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. You don't know, I got me gone because at night, I got me yard, you're seeing, little more people.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.